Rhyguan is headquartered in Rhyguan, a place famous for its robust machine industry. As a highly integrated manufacturer with over 10 years of experience, we specialize in the design, R&D, and manufacturing of label converting machines. We offer superior custom service and individualized label converting solutions for those in the label printing industry. Our products include rotary die cutting machines, flatbed die cutting machines, flexo printing and finishing machines, screen printing machines, hot stamping machines, label inspection machines, and label slitter rewinders. With a focus on technological innovation, Rhyguan combines the best aspects of international technologies to create some of the world's most advanced label converting machines. Rhyguan has more than 100 dedicated employees. Our factory covers an area of over 7,000 square meters and boasts an annual production capacity of over 400 label converting machines. Our comprehensive quality management system ensures that every product is strictly tested and inspected before delivery. We are committed to the optimization of efficiency and capacity of our products in order to improve your productivity. So far, Rhyguan has exported up to 1,600 label printing machines to over 20 countries around the world, such as Italy, Spain, France, Germany, Canada, the United States, and so on. All of our products have achieved ISO 9001 and CE certifications. Products sold in America are also certified by UL and CSA.